Unfortunately, Google Chrome for iPhone does not have an option to change the DNS settings directly within the app itself. However, you can change the DNS settings for your entire iPhone, which will affect all apps including Google Chrome, and here is how you can do it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone first of all. Now in the Settings menu, tap on the Wi-Fi option available at there and find the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, and once you do so, tap on the eye icon next to it to open network details. So once you're in the network details, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the configure DNS option available there. Now from there, you can see automatic and manual. Tap on the manual, then tap add server and enter your custom DNS server addresses. And that is it. After entering the DNS addresses, tap save in the top right corner and exit the setting app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.